Film her.
She's beautiful.
Oh, she's so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Film him.
Ja, nu kom politiet. Ja, kom politiet. Ja.
Og find dem.
Find dem.
Her.
Ja. They hate us.
Hello.
Hello.
Call the police.
No. Don't say that. You have to relax and take it easy.
Film them.
Can we sit outside?
Film her.
Can we sit outside and
Film her.
look at this bird? The police is coming now, Bjorn.
Police?
Yeah, the police is coming now.
Why? Where?
We have to go.
Where?
Yeah, there.
Oh.
Yes.
Hey, film him.
No, don't film them. We have to go. Så vi går nu.
Du skal lige lægge det på, Jens. Og vi er on YouTube.
Ja.
YouTube.
Kan du ikke lige lægge det på en gang? Hej.
Jo, det kan jeg godt. Vi stopper det. Vi stopper. Stop.
Your boy might be moving to Phoenix. What is $1,000 apartment in Phoenix? Curious. Okay, so the drink is down. Now, how do I get the drink? You gotta be kidding me. Wow, that's crazy. You gotta be kidding me. This vending machine, do the drinks come out of it? I can't work so hard to get a thirst quencher and he tell me to do this stuff.
Vending machine scammed your donation.
You didn't even give me the orange soda. What the? Oh, there we go. If my phone falls off into the road, I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh my god. This selfie stick is not secure. I gotta get off the street, though. Hold on. God damn it. Alright, hold on. The phone is too heavy and it falls out of the mount and then it cracked. So that's unfortunate. Don't worry, Kimberly. I'm gonna go to the store and get tape. It's over, dude. Another drop. We're not doing this.
Yeah, I had to.
Wait, is that LeBron?
Maybe. Yeah, we played 4 times. But yeah, it was a best of 7. Yeah, we swept them.
Wait, hold on, bro. Can I say hi?
You want to say hi?
Yeah.
You want to say what's up to my duo partner? Yeah. Aiden. Hold on. Here. You're not on camera. I know you're not on camera. What's good, bro?
Is LeBron?
He said, "Is this LeBron?"
Yo, first of all, I gotta say, gigantic fan. I love you. I don't want to be a fanboy, but like, I love you.
Nah, it's all respect, man. I appreciate it, man.
And look,
showing love and respect to me and my son.
That's right. Look, listen, me and B, we swept them, and we did it for Cleveland.
I love it. Yes, sir. Nice meeting you, man.
Hey, nice meeting you.
Keep it going, all right?
Yeah, all right, bro.
Yeah, all right.
What's up? You guys good? What's going on? Let's go. Go!
happened? Somebody hit him? Where'd they go? Oh, you hit him? Oh, dog. This is his thing here. Made a mistake, man. What's your name, Manuel? Manuel? Okay, I'm getting this on film for you, man. Your shoe was all the way down there, man. I guess that's the driver, man. Mistakes happen, man. What was you thinking, dude?
I didn't see him with the car in front blocking.
Oh, you gotta be careful, man. It's all right. The ambulance coming? You called the ambulance? Yeah, okay, man. Come on, dude. I'm filming this for you, Manuel. Don't worry. I'm not touching nothing. You have my phone number. Oh, no, sit down, man. Relax. 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 No. Sit down, Manuel. Sit down. The ambulance is coming. Sit down, dude. Over here. Hey. Hey. Man, what was you thinking? You in a hurry to see a broad that don't want to give you no coochie or love you? What is wrong with you? Man, telling the greatest love story of all, Jesus. Amen. I love that shirt, by the way. Drive carefully. Bye. Bye, Manuel. I got this for you.
Hey.
I have an announcement. I am drunk.
Yo, bro. Hey.
Stop it. Get some help.
Dude, wake up. It's like, you know, when the NPC spawns in the wrong place. He should be in the bed in his house over there. He spawned over here.
I did not see that.
It's at the bottom.
There was a heart? Ah, what?
It's a dog.
Go, dude, drive, son.
No, that's someone's dog.
What the is your problem?
I didn't want to hit it. It was running right out the car.
Jesus.
We need to save that dog.
What the
It's just running.
It's chasing that car.
No, but it's not in the car. Someone wouldn't have their dog. I'm sorry.
Bro, why do you have to react like that, dude?
Because I was so scared. I'm sorry.
Hey, you guys have the right to walk anywhere you want. It's America. Okay, you're not stopping anything. I'm not a snitch. I'm trying to help you. You want me to go talk to the police? What do you want me to do?
How about you guys stop faking like you're protesters?
What?
Stop faking like you're a protester.
No, I'm independent media. I'm here to stand up for you guys. You don't have
We don't need you. So check this out. This is Black Lives Matter, so we defend ourselves. We don't need you to defend us.
That girl just asked me to help her.
Yeah, no,
she asked me to help her. That is so weird.
I love your wig. I love your wig.
I'm not a cop. That is so weird. I'm not a cop. What are you talking about? Why would they think we're cops?
I'm gonna go. I'm going.
That is so weird.
This is that person's dog?
No. Hi, puppy. Let's get you like an owner. Come on.
God.
Back here.
Bro. Random dog. All right, here we go. Hey, doggy.
Hey.
What kind of dog is that?
I don't know. Where's your owner?
There's no collar either.
Where's your owner, buddy?
Yo, put it in the back. Yeah, the dog came right in.
I told you. Thank you.
What do we do with it now?
We take him home tonight, and then we.
Yo, what kind of
give
dog?
him away.
What kind of dog is this, chat?
I don't know. I love him.
There's no owner. There's no collar or nothing. It was just running down the street. I mean, clearly someone in this neighborhood owns the dog, so we should bring it to the shelter and
But
see.
tonight he doesn't have
And see if he's got a chip and see who owns the dog. You feel me? Hey, why are you so scared?
Because you need to make Snoopy feel comfortable.
I'm trying. Just needs water.
Hey, don't let him eat Snoopy's bowl.
He's eating Snoopy's food.
That's what I want not to
Alpha,
happen.
dude.
He got me out the car, he gave me a field sobriety test, and then he told me count 9 steps forward, 9 steps back, tilt my head back, count down from 30 to 1, and say stop when I'm done. I did the 9 steps forward, 9 steps back perfectly, because I'm not drunk. I tilt my head back, I'm not high, I tilt my head back, I count down to 30, down to 1. I look at him, I'm like, okay. He's like, are you done? I'm like, yeah. He's like, from what I'm seeing, I'm giving you a DUI because I'm like, what? He's like, yeah, you didn't do what I asked you. I asked you to say stop when you were done, and you didn't say stop. What? Like, what? I didn't say stop? That's how you determine a DUI? Because I didn't say stop? You got me in the middle of the streets, counting steps back and forth, and because I finished doing it all perfectly, and I don't say stop, you say you've determined to have a... But then when he brings me back to my hotel room, the manager asks him, is the guy drunk or inebriated? He goes, no, he just needs to get to his room. So you know I'm not high, you know I'm not drunk, but you just gave me a DUI.
I want to say to the viewers that this is my only twin brother.
Yes.
And I'm never going to hurt him. So it doesn't matter what you say in the chat. You can say whatever you want. I'm never going to hurt this guy. Because he's a good guy.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about, they've been talking about.